So imagine having construction work take away your air conditioning.
That is the case for some tenants in a city-owned apartment complex in Oshkosh.
It's a 14-story building. It's called the Court Tower. It's being renovated, and so the wall air conditioners have been taken out. Fox 11's Alex Ronaldo joins us now live in Oshkosh this evening. And Alex, the timing is certainly unfortunate. How are people handling the situation?
Well, Tom, we spoke with several residents out here at the Court Tower who were keeping cool in the shade. Now, they tell us it's been difficult dealing with the heat, but they are making do. We also spoke with the Oshkosh-Winnebago County Housing Authority, which told us there have been no health emergencies because of this. Now, Housing Authority Executive Director Brad Masterson says Court Tower provides housing to 78 low-income and older residents. Masterson tells us residents were warned about this before construction started. Some were even moved to other buildings for the duration. He says the units themselves have never had central air, although at one point tenants could buy sleeve air conditioners for their own apartments. But those were all taken out to put in central air and heat throughout the entire building. Masterson says air conditioning will be working in the central corridor by the middle of next week. He says AC and heat should be working in individual apartments by October. Masterson tells us the authority is working to make sure everyone gets through this heat wave.
Sending the property manager and the social worker in regularly. They've been visiting the people who are likely to be suffering the worst. We have identified 4 of those who were struggling or were uncomfortable enough that one of the salvaged air conditioners was brought in and put in their unit.
It's tough, but it's, after a while you get into a daily routine. It's just another day. Hopefully they can get it done.
Now, Masterson says the Housing Authority put salvaged sleeve air conditioners in 2 empty apartments, and tenants can go and use those 24/7. He says residents can also visit Marion Manor and Mainview apartments during the day to help stay cool. Reporting live in Oshkosh, Alex Ronaldo, Fox 11 News.